underway. You can kill me on my first love, but I will. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Hey fam, and welcome back to another video with your girl Nat. In today's video, I will be doing a review from a company called Levo. Would you guys like to see a review today? I thought so. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So y'all, let's open the package and see what we got. It's real good. And guys, the shipping do not take long at all. So once you order, you can look forward to your package being there within a week or so. Open. Ooh, beautiful box. And don't worry, I'll show you guys the specs and everything on the box. Oh, there you go. Look, I have me a Levo machine. It is so pretty. Like, look at that blue. I decided to get blue. They got multiple colors, but I wanted blue because that's my color. So y'all, as y'all can see, y'all can use dry ingredients to make your own oil. And it's mess free. And it also have a 16-ounce ceramic coated reservoir. So that's very nice. Like, that way when you spill, you can just clean it right on up. You can create all kind of different type of desserts and treats. Like, you can make candy, cookies, drinks, oils, butters. Like, the fun is endless. Like, I really recommend you getting one of these for yourself. Don't say I didn't share where I got this from, y'all. So here go the other side of the specs, so you guys can just take a look and see everything that you can do with it. So this is kind of giving you an idea of how your oil should come out step by step. So let's open. So guys, upon me opening, I see I have a warranty, which is good. I'll make sure I hold on to that. It also it tells you that they have an app, so that way you can go and install this on your app, on your phone. Just a couple little pamphlets. Comes with a quick start guide. So here go our Levo machine, and in a second I'm going to go ahead and plug it up so you guys can see the LED function. But as you guys can see clearly, it is very, very beautiful, nice and sleek, and this is just a perfect addition to have in your kitchen. I recommend you getting one, like seriously. And you can make multiple things with this. You can make beauty care products. You can make your own infused oils, your own, goodies on the side or whatever. So you guys, if you guys are trying to do any type of home DIYs or more like sustainable living, I suggest you guys go ahead and invest in one of these because you'll save a lot of money by cutting down on going to the stores and buying all these overly processed oils and goodies. So the battery comes tucked in the back, which is very, very helpful. And I like that they did that because a lot of times when I'm trying to put away my appliances, I'm like dealing with the cords to no prevail. So y'all, this was smart. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up and then I'll be right back to y'all. So I almost forgot, but I'm gonna go ahead and open the top, which you just push down and pull open. And it comes with the herbal diffuser little basket. And let's turn it on. So here go all the functions. So the timer, the temperature, the lock, the start, and the shutdown. So y'all see all this, everything is touchscreen. Well, buttons, touch buttons. Guys, I got an herbal press, and this is just gonna help press everything down into this little canister right here. So when you have your herbs in here, you wanna make sure you just squishing them to where that oil could be nice and infused. The second thing I got was some coconut oil, which they have other oils on there that you can get, but I wanted to do regular coconut oil. Then I have the infuser sprayer, which this was really nice. I'm sorry if it's too blurry, I'm really sorry. So this is nice that they gave me this. It's so pretty. And y'all, I'm opening everything so y'all can see it, because I know I hate when I be watching reviews and they leave it in the box. I'm like, what's the point of doing a review if you don't know what you're getting? So, also have this is the herbal black tray. So that's what this is. And let's see. Oh, okay, so this is when you want to make like a type of butter or something, so you can store it in here. Once it come out of the machine, you can make little butter squares. That's really nice. Okay. So that was everything I got. And I swear, like, I love this machine that I got it. Like, I was waiting on opening it for a few days, but now that I finally opened it, I can't wait to use it. So that will be the next video, me actually doing a demonstration on how to use the machine. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to put your notifications on so that way you don't miss out on the demo video when it comes out. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video with your girl Net. I know it's been a while and I've been gone. I just been trying to figure out like the path that I want to go with my channel. So I do appreciate you guys for still sticking in there with me and subscribing and sharing and all that good stuff. So until the next video, you guys. Don't forget to use my code Cooking with Net to save an additional 10% off. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. It's been my pleasure sharing what I got in the mail. Until the next video, you guys, peace.